Salim, good evening. And this is not an interview, first of all.
Yeah,
Okay, this is more for you. So, Salim, thing is that my audience is yours. Okay, and just speak for yourself, like how many years of experience you have, right? What all skill sets you have, right? And finally, you tell me that where exactly you are getting stuck in your career, and also you are from IT background or a non-IT background, right? So tell me each and everything, but please make sure you should not mention if you're working in an organization.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so as per the confidential, because it is good for you only.
yeah,
So
yeah. I
I,
saw your videos
yeah,
last time.
okay, okay.
So,
So yeah, yeah.
I
Go
was.
ahead.
My name is Salim Malik. I have completed my BCA from Pune University. I
Very
was
good.
born and brought up in Pune.
Mm,
Total overall, I am having 9 years of experience.
mm,
I started my career as an IBM AS founded server admin.
mm,
After that, working for around 3 4 years,
mm,
I switched into Linux administrator. From 2019, I'm a Linux admin
mm.
till now.
Till
So
date. Okay.
in our company, basically, we
Mm,
are doing the monitoring support on and working on the issues, all daily issues, what all the L1 L2 supports have. I
mm,
have worked on the migration issue, like
mm,
migrating from one data center to other data centers,
mm,
migrating from V1 V2 to V3 and V4
mm. Very
verse.
good.
And I've worked on Zen,
Mm,
I've worked on Zen,
mm,
verse, and VMware. I've worked VMware. I'm working from last 1 year.
mm,
So I have 1 year experience in VMware.
mm,
I have knowledge, basically, means because they had put me, means they had switched me into a team, and
mm,
I got hands-on experience, but
mm,
I was lacking the basics of Linux.
mm, mm.
So when
Okay.
I came to know your question and answers,
Mm,
I studied that, and I again studied it, and now Alhamdulillah, I'm very good in the basics now from your question answers only,
mm,
because before that I was like blank. If you ask me day to day work,
mm,
I'll handle it DFI. If you want to do anything like monitoring, space issue, creating LBMs,
mm,
and
mm,
anything, means if I have a data center experience,
mm,
because my starting 4 or 5 years I worked in data center, proper data center.
mm,
So I have a very good experience in data center. I know where is
mm,
the rack and storage and all
mm,
those things. So that was a benefit for me. So,
mm,
and afterwards, seeing your videos, I got basics were definitely clear. I'm
mm,
still on. I think so. I'm on in 90th question. I
mm,
need to complete, but I was on a break
mm,
2 3 days. So
mm,
that's why it is not getting complete. Or otherwise, my office work, we had a storage issue. So
mm,
I was stuck with that storage issue.
mm,
So if I complete all the 200 questions, then
mm.
I'm definitely gonna in good on my basics and troubleshooting skills.
Okay. Hmm. So total 9 years of experience, right? And there are a lot of things you told me. You have worked in data center also. You have experience of migration also, right? So
Yeah,
exactly where you are lacking, or you wanted to switch your career, or exactly what
yeah.
you want to do now.
I want to switch my career into Linux admin only
Hmm,
for right now, because this will be my
hmm.
first interview as a Linux admin. Correct, because I have not switched any company yet.
Correct, correct.
In the current organization, I was as an IBM founded admin.
Hmm.
So they
Got
gave me an opportunity to the Linux admin. So I grabbed that
it.
opportunity,
Hmm,
and I was working very fine. It was starting. It was difficult. I knew what were the commands,
hmm, hmm.
but I didn't know what was the background basic without your question answers.
Correct.
Because you gave that question answers and you were telling me that this is that. Then I came to know, yeah, this is this and this is that. Because a W command can give me three outputs, and what all outputs I did not know.
Correct. So the
Right?
behind the scene you don't know exactly. It's like sailing on
Yeah.
the ocean, but you don't know the depth of the ocean, right? So okay, that I'll come to. I straightforward. I know what is the best solution for you. Okay, I've already written it down. Don't worry for
I have
everything.
I have
Yeah.
now, I'll tell you, if they're creating, I know to create VMs. We have our in-house cloud. If any VM is stuck, I know how to get to the console and what is the control D FSCK. If it gets it, see,
Hmm,
I knew
hmm,
what was the FSCK command, but
hmm,
for what it was being run, you
hmm.
told me that.
Okay.
Correct. I know FSCK.ext. This is there you have to put, but for what? For
What
inodes,
purpose?
no. For inodes, it will be fixing my inodes. That
Correct.
is why it is stuck when I restart. If I
Hmm,
restart and I'm sitting, it will come up. It is not coming up. Then I'll go to the
hmm,
host and I'll check the console,
hmm,
and all the things will. who means I was doing it, but
mm,
I was not able to means what for what I'm just doing. So it is resolving the issue. But if
mm,
you ask me what is the purpose, I don't know
mm,
the purpose. So I got it
mm,
clear with your question answers. In the first 50 sets only, I was clear. Your
mm,
question answers. 50 sets question answers. They were very fantastic question and answers.
mm,
They cleared me very well.
mm,
Alhamdulillah, I'm very good now. Means
mm.
I can crack. Means if you give me a chance, I'll at least 50% I can try it. Before that, if you
Okay.
tell me cron tab, I
Uh,
was like cron tab because we don't work here. Already the means application team has scheduled the jobs
mm,
in cron
mm,
tab. So I
mm,
was unable to tell that cron tab. If you tell me what is cron tab, I was like blank. But after that cron tab L, how to do
mm,
list it, how to add it, how to show it. Now
mm,
basically that FS tab question,
mm,
you showed me that these are the entries. What I used to do, just compare one server and
mm,
see this server and copy paste it,
mm.
but I don't know what is this. Why is this action? Why this 10 value is there? So that was cleared by your. So I
Correct.
was very much interested that if this is, if he can give me this much, if I get to personally, then he can give me very big also to learn this concept.
Okay, first of all, thank you. Thank you. With you guys only, I'm here. Okay. So, yeah, my main aim is like Salim, you have understand. I'm a very honest person,
Yes,
and
yes.
that is what I'm trying to do. I don't mind my youth or the path what I have followed. Okay. So, everybody should get a success. Okay. But we need to give them the path. That's it. That is what I'm trying to do it. Okay, now let's come to the business immediately. Okay, so the first and immediate thing for you, I'll tell you, you are very good. Okay, whatever you are doing, you see my videos, I have give different suggestions to everyone. Okay, by listening to you, what you have things, the data you have provided to me. Okay, according to that, you have a well understanding of what is a data center is all about, what is a VMware is all about, what is a snapshot, what is cloning, right? How to do a migration, what is a migration is all about, right? So you have understanding of the workflow. Okay, try to understand, listen to, you have understanding of your platform, but where you are lacking is all about troubleshooting. That is what my understanding is. And that is only because you don't know if I'm executing a normal command only. Okay. If I'm executing a cat command. So what is the behind the configuration related to cat command and from where it's executing, whether a normal user can be executed or a super user can execute it, right? What is the default shell for a normal user? What is the default
Yeah.
shell for a root user, right? What is the purpose of root user and all? So that depth is required for you, according to me. That's it, nothing more than that. And the roles and responsibilities, since you have spent a good amount of time into this organization, so you are now at saturation. Very honestly,
Correct.
I'm telling you. Okay,
Correct.
the saturation is something which is obviously, if you have to make a change in your life, you have to go 3 4 steps back and then you will take a jump in your career. So now you have to give at least, according to me, 2 months from now onwards. Only 2 months. And where you need to spend these 2 months, because you have gone through my 100 plus Linux interview question and answer. Correct? That is something to clear the interview. I can challenge you are going to clear the interview. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
But again, I am telling you. So to know the like process is what? It's just a daemon. That is a background, right? How a process is executing, how much it is consuming from the system, how much a CPU or the disk or the RAM it is consuming. To know these details, there is 100 days of IT corporate boot camp is there, which I am suggesting. And I am not telling you, see, for others, I am telling you, switch it to AWS, you have to choose a career. But what you are here, very honestly, I'm telling you, you have a very promising future in the field of SRE and in the field of platform engineer. Listen very carefully, Salim. These are the current requirement. I call this entire thing as a operation and management. For others, I give different suggestion. You go, you do your career. I can see as a production support engineer for others, but for you. Especially, I am telling you, what is a site reliability engineer? What is a platform engineer? A person who is only able to handle that as a platform engineer or SRE engineer, you can go and sit in US, UK, anywhere. There is a huge requirement for SRE and platform engineer. Those who are aware of virtualization, those who are aware of the data center. But to work in a data center, to know how the troubleshooting happening, suppose one of the server, physical server or a rack server. I told you I have worked with blade servers also,
Yes.
rack servers also,
Excellent.
right? So if if you are working in a data center, you have a great future because you can, what I can see from you, you can make a good feature towards data center. The reason is you can make yourself strong in the networking. How about your networking, Salim? How good you are in networking?
In networking, I'm not that good. I have just means basically troubleshooting with the host name
Mm,
DHCP
mm, mm,
and all those things, setting a IP
mm, mm.
if it is not accepting from
And
DHCP.
how about the, like, if I would say, like, if it's related to cloud, okay? If you have to, AWS cloud is there, right? Security group, virtualization. If you know virtualization, so at least you should know about the network. What is a, like, inet and all, right? We used to check how a IP is connecting to a server. If you are, some issue is happened to the server, what all basic troubleshootings are there? Are you good at those things?
No, I'm not good at. Means I have got the access. Till now, we
Hmm.
have not got any issue on the VMware. Till now, so that's why I'm not able to get how to do that. If
Hmm.
this issue is coming in 5 years, I've got so many
Hmm.
issues like cyber
Hmm.
attacks, this and those. That is my experience, and after that, I can tell you that I
Hmm.
can do these things.
Hmm.
But in VMware, we have not
Behind the
got
scene.
any issues.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
I got. See, one thing, you noted down these two job role. Okay, but this everything is related to Linux. I told you Linux is the foundation. First
Yes.
thing is for you, SRE and platform engineer. I'm straightforward telling you, Salim. Okay, you have a very good future as a SRE engineer and platform engineer. Okay, the reason because of that, because you have spent a good amount of time in your data center, right? You have good spend amount of time in the VMware and all, right? So now you don't, I don't think so you will have issue with the platform. The platform is nothing but it's going to be your operating system only. Okay,
Correct.
so that also you know, but you don't know how to troubleshoot. So for that, I am telling you, please go with my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. Okay, where each and everything, again, I am going to show you with the help of, see this one. See this one, Salim. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. 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 Yes.
See,
I can see.
whether it's related to installing a, I would say, Linux server. Okay. So what all prerequisites are required? Suppose if you are dealing with VMware, so you need to install VMware vCenter. Like in production
Yes.
environment, we install vCenters, right? Hypervisors will be there, correct? So how a hypervisor is working, right? How a thing, suppose if you are creating a virtual machine, right? So there are many things related to this virtual. This is not just a creation of this virtual machine. If you go, you can do a typical installation and a custom
Correct.
installation also. But for everything, there is a reason behind this one,
Yes.
right? So these things I have already explained in that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So these things you need to understand. What is a cloning, suppose, or a snapshot you are taking, right? If in case, suppose you lost your VM, how to take the backups and all. This is one thing which you told you have done this also, correct? But
Yes.
you don't know much more about the behind the scene. So that
Correct.
experience you are going to get it from that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Now see this one, these are not just a topic, Salim. Okay, these are something which I have, you are going to encounter if you are working as a platform engineer or a SRE engineer also, or even a Linux administrator also, on a day to day basis, because you will be dealing with this user and group administration, right? You will be dealing with this logical volume manager. You are going to dealing with those Linux file system and hierarchy. You need to understand why this particular directory is over there, right? What all files are there inside that one, right? If I logged in as a root user, somewhere you will see home directory. As a root user, you are not able to copy something. What could be the reason behind that? There are so many things. those are actually these topics only. These are the, and in these topics only I have explained each and everything with real time example in depth. Plus software package management is something which is very very important according to me,
Yes,
because this
yes,
is going to decide your patching. If you know your yum configuration, how to do your yum configuration, how just now you told that you have created a ssh key then to authenticate between one server to the other server, right, where you are going to deploy your public key to all those slave machines. Suppose you are, if you have to communicate, if you have to execute a script, correct, if I have to execute a normal, suppose you are checking a uptime only, for example I'm telling, okay, so that uptime you cannot go to those 1,000 servers and log in manually and in check, correct. How you are going to do? First you need to make sure the network connectivity between these two servers or from this master server to all the other servers, right, it is well established, and that you can do it with
established.
the ssh authentication. How you are going to deploy your public key, right, into as a authorized key, and you will be able to log in as a passwordless authentication. So these things, each and everything I have explained, what is ftp server, nfs server, dns server, and how you are installing your apache tomcat. So once you will be full hands on with this, Salim, okay, so you were already on target as a site
Okay, sir.
reliability engineer and as a platform engineer. Correct. I am not suggesting you to go with DevOps immediately, because you have spent already 9 years. Okay. And I can
Correct.
see a very good future for you as a platform engineer and a SRE engineer, where there is a huge requirement of SRE and platform engineer in Europe, in Germany. Okay. There
Yeah.
are huge requirements in front of you only. See this one. In Netherlands also, because I used to get all those requirements. See, in UK, right? This is system administrator, full stack, IT support, network architecture, data scientist, sales manager. Let me see mine. Because I have chosen those things, right? See, SRE engineer in Bangalore only, I'm telling. Okay. Are you able to see this one, Salim?
Yes, 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 yes,
See,
Abhishek.
if you see this SRE engineer, okay, you see here only, okay, the experience, okay. And if you go to the job description, just see the job description, what they have mentioned over here, Salim. So they need a minimum 8+ years of experience plus 5 years of experience as a SRE role, similar to improving system reliability and performance. Should be strong knowledge on SRE principle, strong experience in observability, Prometheus, Grafana. So these things, and AWS experience. That is what I was talking about. Okay, and if you come down over here, okay, you see they are talking about Bash and automation. Correct. I was keep on telling this job description. We need to see this job description. Expertise and proven knowledge in Linux administration, performance optimizing, security practices. Yes or no, Salim?
Yes,
In front of you only. So this is the JD. Okay, and this is what proficiency in Python and Bash scripting, right? And these and all, don't worry about this one. Excellent problem solving means it's related to troubleshooting and all. So for you, understand again what I'm telling is, you have already there, okay. Only thing is now your troubleshooting skills are also good, okay, but you need to spend time as a Linux administration. You need to spend time in the automation, which I have already told. In there only shell scripting is there with more than 10 plus, I would say, real time example I have explained. Okay. 10 plus real time example for the shell scripting. In that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, it is there. Okay. The
okay.
live
So I'll
classes.
Abhishek,
Yeah. Hmm.
I will get that for lifetime or for 1 year. This one.
Lifetime. This is why, see,
Okay.
I am not giving any Google Drive access, because now that is not the solution. And also from through you only, I'm telling to my audience, I cannot upload those videos to my channel, because those are the live classes videos, correct, which
Correct.
is a between two candidates and me, right? And I'm not sure
Correct. Correct.
how YouTube is going to take that one, right? Whether it's a community violation and all, right? Because when you
Right.
make trying to make someone understand, you need to give examples, right? So YouTube is a place where you need to follow the active community guideline. So this is that reason I have uploaded it to my own website, where everybody, it's not only to get the lifetime access, they should be able to interact with me easily. They should be able to do the assignments. So I will upload the assignments, right? I'll be able to connect with them live. I am able to do the quizzes with them. So there are multiple. It's a platform, Salim, basically. And for
Correct.
to streamline the things, for whatever the audience I have with myself, okay, I need to take them to a proper direction for the
Correct.
communication. It should not be very messed up, but in Google Drive, because since for me also I need to tell them, right? So I have given that accent, but now I'm streamlining everything so that they should not face a single issue. Their video player, because I have heard so many problems, they are not able
Yeah.
to
Yeah. Yeah.
access
Correct.
the videos and all. Okay, so I thought, no, let's make it streamlined now only. Okay, so for you, this is the first thing. Now I said you need to spend time in Linux administration and shell scripting. Two things. See
Okay.
that JD I have shown you, correct?
Yes.
It's asking, and why I'm not telling you to go with Python, because any scripting language is fine, Salim. You are working in the data center, so you are the best person who can judge your environment, who knows in their environment, and you are only can automate that environment, right? The manual thing which
Correct.
you are doing, you can do it with the help of shell scripting,
Correct.
correct? And now cloud, since you are working with VMware, so for you that will be ongoing. So what you do is, during these 2 months, and once I'll start uploading the AWS also, because in that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, complete AWS will be also coming.
Okay.
Okay, so those videos I'm keep on uploading. As soon as I'll finish the classes, I'll keep on uploading. So at same time also, I no need to worry. So every time I need to go and give the access to everyone. You have your own dashboard. Once I'll upload, you will get notified and you will start learning. Correct?
Correct, Abhishek. That will be great.
So this is why I'm making things easier for my everyone, my members, my viewers, right? My subscribers and all. So this is one way. So you need to focus on SRE and platform, at least for, and what path I have told you. Don't look at towards the DevOps as of now, because you have
Yes.
already done a good spend an ample amount of time as a, I would say, in the data center. Okay,
Yes.
so you have good hold as of now. Only the troubleshooting part you need to take care, and that comes with Salim. It's all about practice. Okay,
Yes.
so
That is.
more and more nets practice we do, will perform better in the matches. Correct.
Yes. Correct. Correct. Correct.
That is the
Correct,
truth.
Abhishek.
So it's all about how much we practice. So as you have already your environment, now you practice
Yeah.
and you can go and try over there. And you can do the same with
Yeah.
by in your own VMware workstation you install in your system. You make your hands dirty over there.
Yeah. I'll try on that.
Correct. So my suggestion is that spend amount of time and prepare your resume according to SRE and platform engineer.
Correct.
Because why? See why I'm telling you, the roles and responsibility you no need to copy from anyone. It is already there with you.
There. Yeah.
Understand my point? The work which you are doing, those things only we are going to write in your resume.
Yes.
And what all the additional thing we are going to do it, that is the automation and the cloud. That's it. Done.
Yes.
And you can go ahead and you can start applying for the SRE and platform engineer. So you will get a good career growth also, and you will get a good hike also. Nothing more than
Okay.
this is required, Salim. Okay,
Okay, Abhishek.
according to me. And this is the best opportunity for you, because you have understanding of your physical server. Very honestly, I'm telling you, you there are so many of my not members, I'll say, my juniors also are there. Okay, they are already in Germany. They are already in, I would say, like Netherlands, right? So they are doing good. as a platform engineer and SRE engineer who has a good hold on the VMware and in the data center. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what I would say for you. Linux administration is a common thing. That is what I'm telling. Linux administrator can fit anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. But you need to focus on these two roles.
Okay, Abhishek. I'll go with the first. I'll complete the 200 question answers I've taken from you,
Hmm.
and boot camp. I'll start by once I complete the question answers. I'll start the boot camp also.
Correct. Correct.
And automation scripting videos you'll
It's
put with
there
me.
only. It's already
It
there.
is there only.
It is
Okay,
already
then
there.
no issues.
Okay.
In
And
1 or
soon
2
I'm
weeks,
going
I'll
to,
finish it.
yeah, I'll
Mm.
start uploading by the time you'll be finishing all these things. Okay. If you have any issues in between while troubleshooting, just ping me. Okay. I'll resolve your queries. Okay.
Okay, Abhishek, that will be great.
That is required. And I'm not asking you immediately to go for the mock interview. Take your time. Okay.
Sure.
100% by God grace, I'm telling you, Salim, okay, you have a good future. You are
Okay, Abhishek.
married?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. But at the same time, I would suggest there is a huge requirement going to be there in Europe and in US. I would not say like it's not against someone, okay, but in Europe, okay, it's a very huge requirement for SRE, platform engineer, for the DevOps engineer, like these roles. Okay.
So we need to start because I was not getting any path and who will guide me. So I
Okay.
just googled one day on YouTube and you came. So I thought I have to give a chance to you, and definitely you were great and you gave a good suggestion today, which nobody gave. People ask me for suggestion, but I'm asking you for suggestion
Somehow God is
because
a medium. I am nothing,
yeah,
Salim.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Now I'll work on it. What you have told me, I'll start working from today itself.
Hmm.
But there's shift timings, you know, na
I
afternoon shift,
understand.
night shifts.
Hmm.
So in night shift it is little bit possible, but
Hmm.
afternoon shift, we get full stuck if work
Correct.
is there.
Correct. I would
So
have
anyhow,
suggest
I'm
you.
managing.
Yeah. I could have suggest you to join my live batches also, but that is already I have covered. Okay.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah.
done, completed. So this is that reason I said that go ahead and do that one. So you no need to look left and right, straight. That's it. One single straight line. That's it.
Okay, Abhishek.
Okay. So Salim, I hope I am able to clear your all the doubts
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Good, great.
Okay. So just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.
Yes. Jai Hind.